Hello, I allow myself to present my personal information so that you can a little more about my life. My name is Manuela Garcés Gallego. I am 24 years old. I was born in Bello, Antioquia. I actually live in Sincelejo City around 7 years. I have good husband by I haven't married. I have good a girl. She is 4. Her name is Valerie Contreras Barrio. My family, like my mom, dad, sister, are currently in Medellin. I have only one sister. I did my high school in Sincelejo. I finished my study 4 years ago and now I want to be a professional. I had good a company called Mavami Accessories. It was created 2 years ago. I sell handmade accessories online and make them. My email is manuela.0505@gmail.com. My telephone number is 326-678-90523. My address is Verbel Sincelejo. Thank you very much.